In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note and refund in Xero, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to issue a credit, apply it to the correct invoice, and process a cash refund so your accounts stay accurate and tidy. First, sign into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and confirm to access your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the top menu and open Sales, then choose Invoices. From the Invoices screen, switch to the Awaiting Payment tab so you can see Open Invoices. Find and select the invoice that needs to be credited. Keep that invoice handy because we're going to use its details on the credit note. To make life easier, open a new browser tab or window and return to Sales, then Invoices again. Here, click New Credit Note. In the credit note form, select the same customer you're refunding. In the reference field, type the original invoice number or a clear note that links this credit to that invoice. This is crucial for audit trails and future searches. Next, enter the item details you're crediting, the product or service, quantity, unit price, and the correct account and tax rate. Make sure the amounts and tax treatment mirror the original invoice for the portion you're reversing. Double check the totals. When everything looks right, click Approve to lock in the credit note. After approval, you'll see options to apply the credit. Enter the amount you want to credit against the original invoice. This can be the full value or a partial amount. Click Allocate Credit. Allocation reduces the outstanding balance of the invoice immediately and keeps your customer statement accurate. If a cash refund is required, proceed to Make Cash Refund from the credit note page. Fill in the refund details. Choose the bank account you're paying from, confirm the date and the amount, and add a clear description so you and your team can recognize this transaction later. When you're ready, click Add Refund to finalize it. A few tips as you wrap up: ensure the customer and invoice references match perfectly, use precise descriptions, and select the correct tax rates to avoid compliance issues. If you issued only a partial credit, the remaining invoice balance will stay open until paid or further credited. Finally, when your bank feed updates, reconcile the outgoing refund to the matching bank transaction to keep everything in sync. And that's it, creating a credit note, allocating it, and issuing a refund in Xero, start to finish.